Hi there, welcome to the Beaten Trail. We are going to go over our continuing series of famous Reading Outdoors locations, and this one is Burma. So we list this as part one only because we only had a few hours to go and visit the location, and it certainly is not enough to see it all. But we were happy to be able to have a tour guide. We had Redbeard from the Glorious Bastards out to help us and show us around a little bit. And the trails are nice and wide open. We do have a big meadow with some adjacent mountains for some rock climbing, and that's on the parking lot side. As you go towards the Walmart, it's a big open area with a lot of trails. There's also gravel pit, and so you'll have your climbing and all your anthracite that you want to drive on. So that's on the parking lot side. On the opposite side of the road from parking, I think is probably the larger area and a great variety of trails. Now, we had found a lot of hills and a lot of in through the woods and a bit of off-camera riding, but it was so much fun. It was just a pleasure to just go out. This whole location was overgrown by the mountains and the woods and the greenery, and it doesn't really look like a strip mine, like Darkwater does. And Darkwater's fun, but this is a nice change of pace. We've done Ashland before. That had its own character, and Burma has its own character, in my opinion. But I think you'll find that Burma is going to be a favorite. I can't say if it's the biggest or the largest, but I did find quite a lot of trails that were up and around all these hills and woods, and it was a lot of fun. I'd have to say, you definitely would need a few hours to even see half of this, and there's a lot out there. We did see some water crossings in the low-lying areas, but certainly we're going to have to explore it more. But overall, the trails were good. It was not like Lost Trails where you're running and all of a sudden, poof, there's a big rock. But the trails are in good condition, and they're ridden hard. They are wide enough, and there's no fallen trees really that are in your way. And just some of these turns are just so much fun. We had a lot of fun doing it.
Burma is pretty wide open trails. We like it. It's got nice tight stuff. It's got some hill climbs. We love the wide open. It's got some water crossings.
Very
and the
cool.
Greenery. We love the greenery.
So we'd like to recommend that you get out to Burma and see the sights. The trails are great and long, and you're going to have a lot of high-speed fun out there. You also could do some technicals. So please, you let us know in the comments, what did you like about Burma? Which is your favorite famous Reading Outdoor location? And what are you riding when you go out there? What makes it so much fun for you? So thanks for watching. We hope you subscribe and like and share our videos, and we'll see you out there on the trail. Thanks.